Hi everyone. Today my topic is about daily diet. We all want to remain happy and healthy. So it is very important and necessary to eat healthy and set our daily routine about what to eat and what not to eat. We must know the things to be eaten and things to be avoided. So, as soon as we get up in the morning, we start our day with plain water. We can have 2, 3, 4 glasses, any amount we want to have. Then we should start our day with green juice. Green juice is one thing which is 100% antioxidant, and even if you have any disease in your body, this green juice will eliminate the base of the body, because diseases remain in toxins. So when your toxins will be removed totally from your body, then obviously disease will be no more. And it won't go in one go, or one day, or 1 month, or 6 months, but it will go in due course of time. You need to continue doing this. So till 1 o'clock you have fruits, fruit juices, and vegetable juices. You can have smoothies also. Smoothies are also very good as morning breakfast. And as far as lunch is concerned, we should take full-fledged lunch: dal, roti, and sabzi. All seasonal vegetables should be taken every day, whether it is winter or summers. Whatever green vegetables or other vegetables are available, we must eat in day-to-day's life, day-to-day's variety. And dal also, we should not stick to 2 or 3 dals. We should eat all dals, because dals are very healthy. They contain proteins, and all dals should be eaten. So as far as carbs are concerned, I prefer, bajra, jaw, ragi, rajgira, singhade ka atta, because all these attas are very healthy and light. गेहूं का आटा is very heavy and it's full of gluten. So you can have these atta's roti, and you can have brown rice. If you like brown rice, बहुत अच्छा. अगर नहीं पसंद करते तो have white rice as a variety. And then if you want to have something मीठा, take just a small chunk of jaggery. गुड़ खाना रोटी के बाद बहुत अच्छा होता है. It digests your food and satisfy your sweet tooth also. So my dear friends, now comes the evening time. From 4 to 6 is the time when we can have either nariyal pani or one fruit. And if you cannot live without tea, black tea, you can have black tea with some very small snacks, or you can have a biscuit, or anything you want to have, or prefer green tea or herbal tea in the evening also. And now comes at dinner time. Dinner should be taken very light. It should be soup and veggies and salads. You should have either soup and salads, good quantity, full bowl of salads you can have. And you can have stewed vegetables, and you can have assorted vegetables, just vegetables like broccoli, bell pepper, spinach, mushrooms, corns, baby corns, zucchini. You can cut 2-3 vegetables in small pieces and just put them in a pan with a little olive oil and saute them, and then put little salt, black pepper and chili flakes, and just have it. And you can put a few drops of lemon juice also. Have it with soup. This should be your dinner. And you can have mashed potatoes. Mashed potatoes are very healthy. You should eat boiled potatoes, one potato every day. It will remove all your stomach problems, because boiled potato is very healthy. You can mash the potatoes, put them in a frying pan, and put some little olive oil, put some sprouts in both the things. You can put sprouts in stewed vegetables, salads, and your mashed potatoes also. And you can use alfalfa sprouts alfalfa sprouts, moong dal sprouts, moat sprouts, chana sprouts, rongi sprouts. All sprouts are better than eating dal. But if you are eating dal every day, then take 2 spoons of just 2 spoons of sprouts, put them in your dinner veggies. So my dear friends, now I'll give you some tips to maintain on daily basis. Eat only 75% of your hunger. Just leave 25% space in your stomach to churn your food. It needs, when your food churns in the stomach, it needs space. जैसे वॉशिंग मशीन में कपड़े धुलते हैं, वैसे हमारे पेट में खाना ऐसे ऐसे गोल गोल घूमता है. सो वी नीड टू गिव स्पेस. इफ देर इज़ नो स्पेस, then our intestines, our organs of stomach, our stomach parts will be stressed more. They have to work more. So don't let them work more. And you can do intermittent fasting from 12 to 16 hours, which is very good. If you do that 12 hours to 16 hours, it's very good. It will you will lose weight as well as inches. This is my personal experience. I have done it many times and I start losing weight as well as inches when I do this. 16 hours fasting is amazing. If you can't do it at least for 12 hours. Drink water after your food 1 hour. Don't drink in between your meal or immediately after your meal. It should be taken 1 hour, because when we eat, there is some heat generating in the stomach, and if you pour water in it, it will be very bad. You can have unsweetened lemon water 2-3 times a day, which is totally antioxidant, and it will start removing your toxins from your body. If you have gas, one best tip I will tell you, you will remember me. Just take 1 slice of ginger, eat it with lemon and black salt. 15 minutes before all meals, your gas will totally be eliminated, but you need to do it every day. And eat live food, don't eat dead foods. Live foods are very, very healthy, they make us healthy, and see, all our animals and birds, they eat live food and they remain so healthy. And my dear friends, add seasonal juicy fruits and green leafy vegetables in your day-to-day routine, and take little desi ghee raw. Don't put tadka in dal. Just put little desi ghee on your dal, on the top of the dal, and eat it. 1 onion, 1 spoon of homemade achar with lunch should be taken. Now the question arises, there are so many other things which we need to take, when to take. We can take dates, figs, seeds, dry fruits, berries any time during the day when we are hungry. Just make about 2-3 bottles of all dry fruits, seeds and berries, put them on the table and eat whenever you want to eat. So my dear friends, please follow this diet chart, and I'm very sure you will be much healthier, and try to do fasting also. And I hope you like my video, and please thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll be back with you with another lovely talk. Thank you.